Hey friends, I'm back with another video. I'm trying to get back in the swing of YouTube. I know I've been gone for quite a long time. I started Vlogmas, then I stopped. I apologize for that. So this is a $40 hairdo, okay? Because we all on a budget. Pandemic is going on and we still want to, look the part. And I wanted to try butterfly locks. I didn't want to pay $200 to do it either. So if you know me, you know I change my hair a lot. So I decided to do my own butterfly locks. And I think they turned out bomb as fuck. I've only had them in for about a week. I'm going to keep them in for about another week. Because they are crocheted in my head. And I did the mini twist. And I latch hooked it. And then I did the rubber band method. Because my hair... it has grown out. I had a taper cut and it has grown out into a bob. So the back of my hair is kind of short and then the top is very long. But anyway, so I did mini twists, which you'll see in the video that I did the twist in my head. And then I hooked it with the needle. And this is leftover hair. I have 14 inches because I only used 10 and 12 in my head. And it took me like 2 hours to do. So yeah, $40 do for 2 hours. Okay, and that's just that on that. So I hope you guys like this quick do that you guys can do. It's budget friendly because I am about saving $1. Again, I got my hair from my local beauty supply store, and I paid. I got 2 packs, and you get 3 bundles in 2 packs. So that's $40. Okay, so you would need about 2 packs to do your whole head for real. So yeah. Okay, so I wanted to come back and show y'all what my hair looked like up close, but not too close because I don't want y'all in my business. But anyway, I twisted my hair and then I did the lash hook. And for whatever reason, the hook or the loop that's on these butterfly locks, which I feel like they are made for cornrows. So if you cornrow your hair back and then you try to install it, maybe you'll get a better, maybe it'll be a better look. I'm not really sure. But you only get this much of a loop and it's not a lot. So when you pull it through, it kind of like tugs a little bit, but see how it kind of like tugs a little bit when you try to pull it through. But nevertheless, I got it to work. But once it was in there, you can't stuff your real hair, which is why cornrows will work best for you, if that's your preference. But I wanted to look more like it came out of my scalp. So anyway, it doesn't give you the option to stuff your twist. It doesn't give you the option. See, like I got one of my twisters already hanging out, but we ain't gonna worry about this, sis. It doesn't give you the option to tuck it in. So what I did was I took my real hair once I got the hook and the latch to go through and did all that jazz. I took my hair and I wrapped it around the lock. And then I got to a part where it got to the end of my hair, which is why some of them probably had already came out. Once I got to the end of my hair, you'll see a rubber band on it. And the rubber band is for security reasons, to keep your hair from poking out. But obviously, just get some sturdy rubber bands, sis, and you'll be fine. But, yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. It doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Not bad for, me doing my hair myself. I do that. It is what it is. So, yeah, I hope you guys can achieve this same look or same butterfly style, whatever your choice is. You can go longer if you like. That's a pretty length too if you used to do longer. Sorry, y'all. But, yeah. So, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already to see more budget-friendly makeup looks, hair looks, outfits, all that. Thank you, guys. Bye. Okay, so this part of the video is pretty self-explanatory. Again, I apologize for the lighting. This was about 8 o'clock in the morning when I decided to get my hair done. Or maybe it's 9. Probably 9. Ain't no telling what that clock say. But I'm just twisting my head all over. And I moisturized it really well. Which is why it's a white cast. This is the hair that I was telling y'all about. This is the hair that I used to achieve these locks right here. It's $21 a pack. Get you 2 packs, baby. That's about $40. You know, save $1. And you'll have hair left over if you want to reinstall. And that was just me looking about crazy. And this is me applying my oils to my scalp. Whitney's Hair Secret and the Do Grow is a bomb duo because, baby, it is getting this hair flourishing. I did give me a nice little treatment and stuff before all of this. I had got me my ends trimmed and cut really good. And then I got a blowout, and it lasted me a little while. So now you see me playing in my hair again. This is what it looked like. I look like a kid, but whatever. And I'm pretty much complaining about how time consuming this party is, which is why I really do not like to do hair. But again, because I'm all about, you know, being on the budget, I did my own hair. Wanted to save $160. So yeah, butterfly locks around here cost you about $200. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, I'm sorry if you can hear the kids in the background. This is just what it is. But I am taking the hoop, the latch, or whatever you call it, pulling the hair through, pulling the lock through. Be careful, like I explained before in the video, that it can snug or tug a little bit while you're trying to pull it through. You don't want too much tension on your hair. I didn't do my twist tight at all, so you know, they were pretty lax. But the tightness came from the locks being installed. So yeah, this is pretty much the video, guys. Again, I hope I was able to help. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, so this is the part about me telling y'all that I wrapped my hair and secured it with a rubber band because it doesn't give you the option to stuff your hair inside of the lock. So yeah, unless y'all can think of another way, let me know, because I plan on reinstalling these again. But yeah, just let me know what y'all come up with. If you guys do find any other videos that's similar to this, let me know, and I'll be happy to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.
I don't like doing
bye, y'all.
YouTube.
It's so time consuming. And then my girls, they wanted to be in the video with their phones and all that, and YouTube and their copyright issues. Don't nobody have time for that. So we reached the end of the video. Hope you guys like what you saw. Sorry for the yellow lighting. It was the best I could do because it was like 8 o'clock in the morning and I was trying to get my hair done so I can go on about my day. Again, it was only $40. Hopefully you guys could see how I hooked the hair in my head. Everybody know how to crochet, right? It's real easy. Get a needle, get the hair, slide the needle through. That's it. It's real simple. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.